Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to email and contact Bank of America, but first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to get in touch with Bank of America, log into online banking and go to the Help and Support menu, selecting the Contact Us link. Choose your topic and the recommended contact methods will be displayed accordingly. If the topic supports email, you'll find the Email Us button as the last contact option. After sending a message, expect an alert within 2 to 4 business days, informing you of the response in the online banking message center. Given that email is not available for most topics, so it's recommended reaching out via phone, scheduling an appointment, visiting a financial center, or contacting Bank of America customer through their Facebook page or Twitter at snailbofa_help. You can also send written correspondence to Bank of America, P.O. Box 25118, Tampa, FL 33622 5118. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.